If you desire to achieve financial success, it's not enough to simply have the right knowledge and tools. You must also align your internal economic mindset for sustainable prosperity. So, listen carefully until the end. Embedded in every one of us is internal economic wiring, which affects more than anything else the degree of economic success and the financial wealth index. Ours is alive. Try to think about your inner financial wiring. It's a bit like an air conditioner. When the air conditioner is set to 25 degrees, it cools the room until the temperature reaches 25 degrees, and then it goes into hiatus. If you open the window, the room might get hot and the temperature will rise temporarily. But soon the air conditioner will come into action and will cool the room back to 25 degrees. The only way to permanently change the temperature in the room is to reorient the air conditioner. The same goes for everything related to money. You may have all the knowledge and the necessary tools for financial success, but if your internal economic wiring is not aimed properly, you will never make it for financial success and maintain it over time. The internal economic wiring is embedded in our subconscious. It consists of thoughts, feelings, and actions in everything related to finances and economic conduct, many of which have been established already in our childhood and become conditional. No one ever comes with financial knowledge or a solid opinion about money. We learn them at a young age from parents, family, local culture, friends, immediate environment, teachers, media, and many other influential factors. For example, if your parents used to tell you as children that you have to work hard to make money, this statement has probably been fixed for you and become part of your internal financial wiring. And if your parents didn't use to save, avoided investing in general, or didn't handle money well, there is a significant chance that you will act just like them. The internal economic wiring consists of conditions, which in turn make the decisions related to money automatic. Thus, the success or the economic failure automatic. Until the same old conditions are not dealt with and replaced with new conditions, it is impossible to achieve financial fulfillment and abundance.